Welcome back to the channel, your go-to source for financial analytics and trading strategies. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our new videos. In this video, we're taking a closer look at a powerful workbook designed to fetch and analyze financial data through a series of comprehensive API endpoints. First up, we have the Candles API endpoint. This is where you can access detailed candlestick data for any instrument of your choice. Candlestick charts are a trader's bread and butter, providing insights into market sentiment and potential price movements. Next, we delve into the OrderBook API endpoint. Order books offer a real-time glimpse into buying and selling activity, showing us the depth of the market. By understanding the order book, you can anticipate price changes before they happen. And let's not forget about the PositionBook API endpoint. Position books give us a unique peek into where traders are positioning themselves in the market. It's like having a map that shows where the treasure is buried, helping you to navigate market trends with confidence. The main libraries we will be using in this video are requests, JSON, and datetime. First on our list is requests, a library that allows your Python programs to easily send and receive HTTP requests. This is your gateway to interacting with the web, fetching data from APIs, and automating the web browsing experience. Next, we have JSON, a lightweight data interchange format that's easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. With the JSON library, you can seamlessly encode and decode JSON data, making it a breeze to work with APIs and config files. And let's not overlook datetime, a module that helps you manage dates and times in Python. Whether you're scheduling events, logging timestamps, or analyzing time series data, datetime provides the tools to handle time-related tasks with precision and ease. Together, these libraries form a powerful toolkit for any Python developer. They simplify complex tasks, enable efficient data handling, and open up a world of possibilities for automation and analysis. First, I will guide you through the process of making an API request to the Candles endpoint to fetch candlestick data for an instrument. So, let's get started. After this section, you will be given one challenge and 3 tasks to complete. First, we need to set up our base URL. This is the entry point to OANDA's API. We're using the Practice API here, which is perfect for testing and development purposes. The instrument we're interested in today is USD CAD, which represents the exchange rate between the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. Now, let's talk about the query parameters we're using for our request. Price, we've chosen M for midpoint prices, but you could also use B for bid or A for ask prices depending on your need. Granularity, this represents the time frame for each data point. D stands for daily, but OANDA offers a wide range of granularities from seconds to months. Count, we're asking for 2 data points in this example. You can fetch up to 5,000, but remember, more data means more processing time. Start from an N2. These parameters define the time range for the data we want to retrieve. We're looking at the last 5 days here. Smooth, this option can smooth out the candlestick data for a cleaner analysis, but we're keeping it simple with a false value here. Include first, this is a handy flag for polling data continuously without duplicating the last received candlestick. We've set it to false for the single fetch. Daily alignment, alignment time zone, and weekly alignment. These parameters help align our data points to a specific time zone and trading week, ensuring consistency in our analysis. Next, we construct our full URL by combining the base URL with our specific endpoint and query parameters. We also need to include our API token for authentication, which you should have obtained from your OANDA account. It's crucial to keep this token secure and not expose it in your code or to others. We use the library OS and store the API key in a .env file. Once we send the GET request, we check the response status code to ensure everything went smoothly. A 200 status code means our request was successful, and we can proceed to print out the data we received. If we encounter any errors, such as a 400 bad request or a 401 unauthorized, we handle them by providing guidance on what might have gone wrong. And that's it. You've just made an API request to OANDA to fetch financial data. Now, it's your turn to try. Pause the video, and when you are finished resume the video and I will show you the solution I have. Welcome back. I trust the challenge proved to be engaging for you. Here is the solution I came up with. We define query parameter, price. The variable price is set to the string MBA. Each character in the string represents a type of price data that can be requested. M stands for midpoint price. This is the average of the bid and ask prices and is often used as a reference point for the current price of an instrument. B stands for bid price. This is the highest price that a buyer is willing to pay for the instrument. A stands for ask price. This is the lowest price at which a seller is willing to sell the instrument. The default value for the price parameter is set to M, but here it is explicitly set to MBA, indicating that the request is for all three types of price data: midpoint, bid, and ask. Here are the solutions for Task 1, Task 2, and Task 3. Pause the video if you require a little more time to review them. We will now be moving on to the OrderBook endpoint, where we will be able to fetch an order book for an instrument. Before we dive into the code, let's clarify what an order book is. An order book is a list showing all buy and sell orders currently placed for an asset. It's crucial for traders and investors as it provides transparent information about the asset's demand, supply, and potential price movement direction. Understanding an order book can help in making informed decisions in the fast-paced trading world. Now, onto the code. We start with our base URL, which points to OANDA's Practice API. The instrument variable specifies the currency pair we are interested in, which is USD CAD for this example. The next part involves setting up our query parameters. While this script specifically sets the time for the order book snapshot to August 1, 2021 t0 seconds Z, it's worth noting that if no time is specified, the API will return the most recent snapshot by default. This flexibility allows users to fetch historical data for analysis or the latest data to make real-time decisions. With our base URL, instrument, and time parameters set, we construct the full URL for the request. This URL targets the specific endpoint on OANDA's API that returns the order book data for the specified instrument. We again authenticate our request. We retrieve the API token stored in the environment variable. The core of the script lies in sending a GET request to OANDA's server with the constructed URL and headers. Upon receiving a response, we check the status code to determine the outcome of our request. A status code of 200 indicates success, and we proceed to print the response code and the formatted JSON data. This data contains the order book information, including price levels, order sizes, and more, providing valuable insights into the market's current state. Now we're going to concentrate on the PositionBook endpoint, staying with the currency pair USD CAD. The first part of the script remains largely the same, setting up the base URL, the instrument of interest, and the time parameter for our query. The significant change comes in the construction of the URL. Instead of pointing to the OrderBook endpoint, we're now targeting the PositionBook endpoint. This change is crucial as it shifts the type of data we're requesting from OANDA's API. So, what's the difference between the order book and the position book? The order book provides a real-time list of buy and sell orders for a financial instrument, showing demand and supply levels at different price points. It's pivotal for traders looking to gauge market sentiment before placing trades. On the other hand, the position book aggregates the total number of buy and sell positions held by OANDA's clients. Instead of showing pending orders, it displays how many traders are in a long or short position in a specific instrument. This information is invaluable for understanding the overall market positioning and sentiment. For example, if a significant majority of positions are long, it might indicate a bullish outlook on the currency pair among traders, and vice versa. The authentication process remains unchanged, with the API token being required for accessing the endpoint securely. Upon sending the GET request and receiving a response, the script checks for the same range of HTTP status codes to determine the outcome. A successful response, status code 200, will print the JSON data containing the position book information, which offers insights into the aggregate trading positions rather than individual buy or sell orders. This differentiation in data endpoints allows traders and analysts to access a broader spectrum of market data, enriching their analysis and decision-making process. By understanding both the immediate market orders and the longer-term position trends, one gains a more comprehensive view of market dynamics. Thank you for watching our tutorial on OANDA's instrument endpoints. We hope you found this video informative and that it helps you navigate your trading journey with greater confidence and understanding. If you appreciate the insights, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Your support motivates us to create more tutorials like this, designed to help you succeed in the financial markets. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to never miss an update from us. Thank you again for watching, and happy trading!